This video will display and describe the package marks and labels that are required on certain packages of lithium batteries in transportation. Specifically, those packages that are forbidden for transport as cargo on a passenger aircraft. We will be looking at the regulations of the Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration within the U.S. Department of Transportation. There's a lot more as far as the regulations for shipping lithium batteries that we won't be looking at. We are just going to focus on the package marks or labels that are required and what they must look like. So, if your package of lithium batteries is forbidden as cargo on a passenger aircraft, it must display one of these package marks or labels as applicable. This is the two options for a primary or lithium metal battery. Now, primary batteries are not rechargeable, and lithium metal batteries are typically a primary type battery. So there are two options displayed here for the text that must appear on these packages. Now, these package marks have their own requirements. They must be on a background of contrasting color. Here the slide shows it as white lettering on a blue background, but it can be whatever you want as long as it's on a background of contrasting color. If the package has a gross weight of less than 30 kilograms, then the letters in this mark must be at least 6 millimeters high, and they may be smaller if necessary. If the package has a gross weight of greater than 30 kilograms, however, then the letters must be at least 12 millimeters high. New regulations of the U.S. Department of Transportation, effective March 6, 2019, now apply this ban on passenger aircraft to lithium-ion batteries. So, if your package contains lithium-ion batteries that are forbidden for transport aboard passenger aircraft, they may display this package mark, which again has to be on a background of contrasting color. Packages of less than 30 kilograms, the letters have to be at least 6 millimeters high, smaller if the package size requires it, and a package with a gross weight of greater than 30 kilograms, the letters must be at least 12 millimeters high. There is one final and perhaps better option, and it's this: the cargo aircraft only label. The advantage to this label is that it applies to any type of battery, lithium metal or lithium ion. It may be used if the battery is a primary or a secondary type battery. And it has another advantage in that this label is the only one that you've seen here that is recognized by the international regulations. So, what are the requirements for the cargo aircraft only label? It must be black on an orange background. It must be a rectangle of 110 by 120 millimeters. And the words cargo aircraft only have to be at least 6.3 millimeters high.